Hi everyone, I'm just about to install the rack relocation kit from gktech, S13 rack, which is a 48mm as well. So I'll unbolt it all and see how it goes. I've done a measurement to see exactly how far a rack is relocated, and I'll do it all and see how it goes. Okay, so what I've done here is undone the rack mounts, which are a 17mm. These all come off here. Alright. Driver's side mount, passenger's already off. Also what I'm going to do is just back this off so that way I can get a little bit more rack movement and get the right length on it. I'm going to clean up all the mounts and put my solid aluminium ones in. These ones here are all torn and wrecked up anyway, so it's already been doing a bit of sliding, so the side of that's all ripped off. So you should get a lot more positive steering feel. Alright, I'll do the rest. Alright, I've just pulled the old rubbers out and you can see that they're absolutely torn apart. So it's obviously original. Passenger side one, that's the driver's. Now, also what I've done, I've put my relocation kit in, and just looking at it, it's okay, but I'm still getting a bit of sideways movement. It's not a real firm fit on the base, so if this doesn't fix my gearing overlock problems, what I'm going to do is actually do a cut and shut on the K-frame, and I'll put some welds on the inside where the locator is for that, and I'll linish them back so they're actually snug, and I've got zero play in that. So I'll do the next bit. Okay, I'll put the top brackets on. Now I've tightened them down with the spacer provided, but I still need to take off a bit of the clearance on it, so what I'm going to have to do is machine the spacer down. It could be from the car wear and tear that just the alignment's out, but yeah, I'll fix that up. Okay, I've got everything all reassembled. The wheels are pretty much dead forward, caster on each side's the same. Now this is the problem I was having before, so if we go full lock, come around, you can see how it drops, because it's gone past its center point, so probably a bit more push on that, so you can get a little bit more out of it around. So I'm going to be pulling the front cross member out, doing the cut and shut, and see if this fixes the problem even more, but I'll still use the solid mount kit as well, so it seems to be a good thing. It's fixed up a little bit of it, but yeah, there's still more to be tuned in it, because this is, remember, an S13 stub as well, so it's probably throwing everything out a fair way, so every little bit helps when I do it. So the other side's all hooked up and looking good as well, so pretty much, yeah, just when it goes over center, as you can see. I'll see if I can get down in there and show you what I mean. It's pretty much when it goes past the point of no return, it comes right over, so therefore it can pivot back the other way like a swinging gate. I want to try and stop that, so when the wheel comes around it doesn't snap back by itself.